How to import data from another browser to your ChatGPT Atlas on Mac. So open your ChatGPT Atlas and click on its name in the left up corner area in the menu bar. And here click import from another browser. Now you can choose between your web browser on your Mac. So for example, from Safari, select this option and click start import. Now you have to open your settings and allow the full disk access to import your data from Safari. So open your settings and simply click on the plus, use your password or fingerprint and select the ChatGPT Atlas, click open and quit and reopen. And now if you open your ChatGPT Atlas, the import is done and you can click done. And it also transferred all my bookmarks and history, etc. and my profile into the ChatGPT Atlas. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.